Hello everyone. This is Candid Learners. I hope you are doing well. We are continuing with our VB.NET beginner course, and this will be lesson 2. In this lesson, we will cover more basics on designing the interface, adding controls, and setting control properties. So, without wasting time, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is drag a button onto our form from the toolbox. If you can't see your toolbox, we've covered how to display it in lesson 1, so don't hesitate to go back to lesson 1 to see how to do it. As you can see, we can resize our button to any size we want. On our button, we are going to change a few properties, starting with the name. Note that the name property is different from the text property. The name property determines how your button is identified in the code, while the text property determines what the user sees on the button. Let's also change the forecolor, the font, the flat style, the cursor appearance when hovering over the button, and the background color. Feel free to experiment with more properties to see how you can improve your form's appearance. The ones I'm showing you are the most commonly used and basic properties. You can also change the properties of your form. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your form both through properties and by writing a few lines of code to do it with a button. Understanding how to manipulate form properties programmatically is important, as it allows you to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces. To change the form color with a button, double-click on your button and write this line of code. me.backcolor equals color.your color choice. Let's add another button to change to a different color, making it more interesting. Be sure to adjust the properties of the new button just like we did with the first one. This practice will help you learn how to customize and enhance your interface effectively. Experimenting with different colors can also improve the user experience by making your application visually appealing. I'm sure you noticed. The cursor isn't changing on the new button because I didn't update the cursor property. I'll fix that now. Here's a summary of what we've learned. Designing the form. Adding controls, How to drag buttons onto your form from the toolbox. Setting properties, adjusting properties like name, text, forecolor, font, flat style, cursor, and back color to customize buttons and forms. Changing form color, using code to change the form's background color with a button. Experimentation, encouragement to try different properties for a better user interface. These foundational skills help create interactive and visually appealing applications.